Here we are on Odyssey of the Seas. This is an owner loft suite. It's a star class suite, which means you have your own Royal Genie, and I'm gonna take you inside. Starting off here, you've got your powder room with a toilet and a sink. And then you have another bathroom with a shower. So you have a full bathroom. Those two make up a full bathroom downstairs. You have a lovely dining area, living space with a wet bar, flat panel TV, and a sofa which converts to a bed. This suite will hold 4 people, 2 people upstairs and 2 people downstairs. You have this great cathedral ceiling, and out here you have a table and chairs for 4, as well as 2 loungers. And you have amazing aft views. Here we are in Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale. And now I'm going to take you upstairs to the master bedroom. See this beautiful space with these tall ceilings and this stairway which goes up. Now you'll notice we had that balcony downstairs. We had a side balcony as well downstairs, and then this is the third balcony where you have a nice hanging lounge chair and 2 additional loungers and a table. And now into the master bedroom where you have the same great view and this glass railing here, your beautiful king size royal bed. You also have a TV. There's nice lighting here, including reading lights and a power plug so you can charge your phone at night. And then we're going to roll around here and show you the master bathroom upstairs. So you've got a really nice glass enclosed tile shower. You have dual vanities here. Here I am in the mirror. And your commode area. You have a little desk or makeup area with more storage, more places to charge your devices, shelves, and additional storage down there, and your master walk-in closet. You have a safe, you have shelving here, and some hanging space, 2 plush bathrobes as well. So wouldn't you love to have a room like this on a wonderful Caribbean sailing on Odyssey of the Seas? And this, you not only get this great room, you get access to the Coastal Kitchen, which is a special suite class restaurant on Royal Caribbean ships, and you have a Royal Genie, and that Royal Genie is your butler that can help make your show reservations, your specialty dining reservations. If you have a special occasion and you want to throw a party in your suite for your other friends who are on board, they can make that a reality and really cater to your every whim and make your vacation that much more special on Royal Caribbean.